Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to create and use private space on Pixel 10. Open the settings, then scroll down to Security and Privacy, down to Private Space and verify that it's you. Now, here click Set up the private space. Now it is setting up our private space. This will take a few seconds. Checking the info. Now here, choose a new lock for the private space. You can choose new lock or use the screen lock like me. And it is all set. Now done. And here, when you're in the main screen, scroll up and scroll down to the private space. Click here, verify, and your private space is open. Here you can install the apps to your private space. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.